did you do? Did you put yourself away? Huh? Can you figure out how to get the door open, girl? Come on. Come on, Roxy. Come on, Roxy. Don't you know how to get out of there? Huh? I don't know, man. Door was open. I walked in and closed, and I don't know how to get out of here. Come on, Roxy. Come on, Roxy. Cuddles might help you. She goes, yeah, I don't know, man. I keep her locked up. Cuddles. What do you want, Cuddles? Hey, Cuddles. Hey, Cuddles. Boy, talk about a real close-up. Cuddles. Cuddles. So what the hell is she doing in the cage? What's she doing in the cage? He goes, Cuddles? I'm asking myself the same damn question. I got in here and I don't know how to get out. What do you think of that, Cuddles? Huh? What do you think of that, Cuddles? Sure, I don't know, man. You learn to get in, gotta get out. Uh-oh. 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 Someone's talking to you. Roxy, someone talking to you.
Roxy.
Yeah.
Roxy. Come here, Rox. Come here, Roxy. Come on, Roxy. Roxy.
Hey, I'm in my cage. I'll stay in here. Come on, girl. Come on. Can't you figure it out?
Daddy gonna come and let you out?
Push the door. Door ain't locked.
Huh? Roxy girl.
Hear that?
Roxy.
What do you think? Huh? What do you think, Cuddles? What do you think, Cuddles? Cuddles. What do you think, Cuddles? So I'm gonna play my ball, man. Uh-oh. Oh well, we got an itch. Come on, Cuddle. Come on, Roxy. Come on, Roxy. Come on. Come on, Roxy. Come on. Come on, Roxy. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna give it to Cuddles. I'm gonna give it to Cuddles. Come on. Come on, girl. You can't get out of that cage? Huh? Hey, man, I'm right here. Like I said, talk about a close-up. Cuddles says, that other dog in the fence over there is driving me nuts. Yep. What do you think? What do you think, baby? Huh? What do you think, baby girl? What do you think, baby girl? Yeah. Hey. You ready to go to bed? Cuddles, you ready to go to bed? Cuddles, you ready to go to bed? Huh? Cuddles, you ready to go to bed? Say, hey, sis, come help me. Come help me, sis. Hey, come on, man. Hey, come help me. Hey, come on and help me. Hey, come on. Pull in this door for me, will you? Hey, come on. Pull in that door for me. There we go. There you go. You figured it out. Yeah, I just had to pull open a little bit for her. Time to eat. She goes, I'll fight with you now. Cuddle says, okay, quit recording. It's time for me to eat. And then I'll start playing. Yeah. Gonna go get each other, huh? Oh! Dogs got hard heads, let me tell you.